Ukraine has been experimenting with ground drones carrying out different functions, mainly mine laying to replenish the front lines. But as seen here, they have used small ground kamikaze drones to take out infrastructure, placing multiple anti-tank mines, which quickly adds up to a powerful explosion. While hard to attack with ground vehicles, these smaller drones could work in a specialized niche where it's too dangerous for ground forces to conduct the mission, but against a target that isn't particularly defended. As seen here, where the drone drives a few hundreds of meters or even kilometers to reach a small bridge, making Russian armored vehicles to go out on the field, which can be more easily mined effectively. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.